Sabri, I want to get you to take your mind back to that, years ago when you were sitting there making all these sales calls. How many calls were you making a day?
150.
150 calls a day. And so you set the goal and then you just went for it. 150. You didn't go to sleep, didn't end the day until you did 150.
Yeah, that was the program, man. I used to wake up 4 a.m., go for a run, do everything that I need to do in my morning routine. And then the time 8:30 came around, it was just like block out all the noise and just tear up the telephones. Most people, you either start a business kind of out of inspiration or desperation. And for me, it was the latter. And so it's like people like, how did you make 150 cold calls and just basically people cursing at you all day. It's like you want to have the why so big that the how becomes easy, right? For me, 150 cold calls is nothing. Like I was looking at my wife and looking at the commitment that I'd made to her, and like, it's like, man, I'll call 1,000 people a day. Like, I don't give a fuck. Do you know what I mean? So 150 cold calls for me was really nothing because the why was so big. So even by lunchtime and like, you're basically getting told, to fuck off for a living. I don't know if I can swear on this thing, but I'm sorry. But basically, like I'm just getting abused. You get abused all day long on the telephone doing that. But if you know exactly why it is that you're doing and you have that goal so visceral in your mind, then those mechanics, it's not a difficult thing to do. It's difficult in the moment, but not when you stop for a moment and think about why you're doing it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag #HeySabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.